In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your microphone sound better in Audacity. First, I'm going to play you my recording without any editing added to it. This is a test of audio. Now, as you can see, it doesn't sound bad, but we can make it sound way better. Now, to remove any background noise, I suggest when recording to leave some blank space at the start of your recording. So we can now select that. Go to the effects, under noise removal and repair, go to noise reduction, click on get noise profile, select all of your clips by left clicking on them or clicking Ctrl A, then go to effects, noise removal and repair, go to noise reduction and click on OK. Now select all of your clips, go to effects, under EQ and filters, go to filter curve, EQ, presets and settings, under factory presets, go to select bass boost and click on apply. Again, select all of your clips, go to effects, EQ and filters, filter curve, EQ, presets and settings, factory presets, and go to treble boost, click on apply. And yet again, select all of your clips, go to effects, EQ and filters, filter curve, EQ, presets and settings, factory presets, and lastly click on low roll off for speech, click on apply. Now, select all of your clips, go to effects, volume and compression, go to normalize, and click on OK. Now, if you still have some background noise, we can again do what we did at the start by selecting the blank space, going to effects, noise removal and repair, noise reduction, click on get noise profile, again, select all of your clips, go back to effects, noise removal and repair, noise reduction, and click on OK. Now I'm going to play the edited audio and you will hear it's much better. This is a test of audio. As you can hear, the audio is much better. The lows and the highs don't have such a big difference and it's much more bassy. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.